Magandang bahay. Magandang Amaresa. Ako po si Janet Macabenta from iFriends Realty. Ito po ang Kayla Prime Single Attached na may sukat na lot area 89 square meter at floor area na 94 square meter. Parking area. Living area, dining area, kitchen area. One bedroom, first floor. Toilet and bath. Service area. Punta naman tayo sa second floor. Second floor, 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Everyday tripang po kami. Bank and in-house financing. Amaresa 3 Marilao. Located at Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, boundary ng San Jose del Monte near Caloocan, Quezon City and Marilao exit. Prime location. Accessible. Market and malls. Schools. Churches. Medical facilities. Public transport access. Complete amenities.